Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we bring you a connection tutorial video for the SIYI RC10 Pro and the SIYI ZT30. The SIYI UniRC10 Pro is specially designed for professional operations of drones, UGVs, USVs, and intelligent robots. It is equipped with a 10.1-inch large display with 2000 nits of brightness, allowing you to take full control effortlessly at your fingertips. The ZT30 is a 4-sensor hybrid gimbal integrating a zoom camera, thermal imaging camera, laser rangefinder, and wide-angle camera, working together efficiently. It features a 640x512 high-resolution thermal imaging sensor, a high-precision laser rangefinder with a range of up to 1200 meters, up to 180 hybrid zoom and 30 optical zoom, a 2K ultra-wide-angle camera, unlimited rotation on the yaw axis, an upgraded shock-absorbing quick-release structure, and rich gimbal control interfaces compatible with SIYI Links and third-party Link products. With high-precision and highly coordinated control algorithms, it maintains stable zoom and imaging performance during flight, making it an outstanding payload for multirotor drones, VTOL aircraft, and intelligent robots. The video is mainly divided into 3 parts. What products are used in this test? How to make the connections? How to display the image? What products are used in this test? The products used in this connection test include SIYI RC10 Pro Remote Controller, SIYI ZT30 Gimbal, TATA 16,000 mAh battery. The cables used in this test include SIYI ZT30 Power Cable, RC10 Pro Receiver Power Cable, SIYI ZT30 Ethernet Cable. How to make the connections? First, connect the LAN 1 port of the RC10 Pro to the video transmission port of the SIYI ZT30. The LAN 1 connector on the RC10 Pro is a GH1.258-pin connector, while the connector on the SIYI ZT30 is a GH1.259-pin connector. Power the air unit of the SIYI RC10 Pro. The power connector on the RC10 Pro is an XT30. Connect the power cable to the SIYI ZT30. The connector on the ZT30 side is an SH1.254 pin, and the power input connector is an XT30. How to display the image? Open the UniGCS ground station and tap the icon in the top right corner. For camera address A, directly select SIYI ZT30. For camera address B, select SIYI ZT30 substream. Return to the home screen, and you will see both the visible light image and the thermal image from the SIYI ZT30. Tap the small window to switch between views. Press and hold the screen for 1 second to control camera movement. Tap the first icon in the top left corner to access the following 4 shortcut keys. 1 click center, returns both pitch and yaw axes to the center position. 1 click yaw center, pitch down, yaw returns to center, pitch tilts down 90 degrees. 1 click yaw center, yaw returns to center while pitch remains unchanged. 1 click pitch down, yaw remains unchanged, pitch tilts down 90 degrees. Display modes. Single view. The main window displays only the zoom camera image. Single view. The main window displays only the wide-angle camera image. Single view. The main window displays only the thermal imaging camera image. Split view. Zoom camera on the left, thermal image on the right. Split view. Wide-angle camera on the left, thermal image on the right. Split view. Zoom camera on the left, wide-angle camera on the right. The system supports switching between different thermal imaging display modes for multi-sensor gimbals. You can enable or disable the laser rangefinder function of the multi-sensor gimbal. The ZT30 supports up to 30 optical zoom and up to 180 hybrid zoom. This concludes the SIYI RC10 Pro and SIYI ZT30 connection tutorial video. Thank you for watching. If there is more content you would like to learn about, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We will continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and user guides. See you in the next video.